Hey guys, welcome to this another episode of IT Ninja. Today I am going to take a break from enterprise technology. This is the festival time, end of year celebration time, and the time to reward ourselves for the hard work that we have done throughout the year. For me, that is getting a brand new TV to replace my existing almost 11-year-old Samsung's 55-inch TV and replace it with a brand new Samsung Q80T LED TV. In this video, I'm going to take you through a quick unboxing of this TV and my first impression. I got this TV on a very good price over the Black Friday sale. If you want me to reveal that price, I have one condition. If I do get 1,000 likes or subscribes, either of them, I will come back and update this video and reveal the price that I paid for this TV. And I'm telling you, this is a fantastic price that I've paid. So this is my request. Go and subscribe to this channel, and I'll reveal the price. How good is that? Anyway, now let's get into it and have a look at the brand new Samsung QLED Q80T TV. Let's get on with it. Before we get into it, a lot of people would be asking why going for a QLED and not an OLED. I know this is a religious discussion in terms of technology. I don't want to get into it, but for me, the main reason had been the size of the TV that I wanted for my lounge. It's a fairly large area that I want to sit back and look in and watch TV from. That size of TV would not fit in my budget. TV has been delivered. This is the box. It is a bulky box. No questions about it. Obviously, it's a 75-inch TV. I'm glad that I got this delivered and did not worry about picking it up and try to somehow make room within my car. So unless you have a really big four-wheel drive SUV or a trailer, do not bother getting it and putting it back of your car. Get it delivered. It's not worth it. So it is finally here. Guys, this is the Samsung Q80T QLED 75-inch TV. Just got delivered this morning, and I will be going through a quick unboxing and the rest of the features of this box. Having a quick look at the very high level features, it's obviously a 4K Ultra HD TV. It is a smart TV powered by Samsung's Tizen operating system. It has built-in Apple AirPlay, HDMI 2.1 and HDR+. The box quickly tells you which side is front and which side is back, so you know which side to place which way before you open. Once I remove all the packaging and look into what is inside the box, first thing I find is the user manual. So this is the user manual. Comes with a remote, the connecting cables, a battery for the remote, and an L-shaped connector for your TV antenna. Obviously, these are the detailed warranty reports and the accessory kits and the rest of the machine material. This is the base, the actual stand on which the TV would be sitting if you are going to use a TV cabinet. Inside the first thing inside the user manual thing I found is a quick setup guide. So this tells you a high level instruction of how to unpack your TV and how to put it together, especially when you are going to put it on a stand. So going through it, it is segregated within the TV size. In my case, it's the 65 and the 75-inch TV. So first thing you've got to do is take out all the stand and the paperwork, which I have already done. Remove the cardboard and the foam material, and you definitely need two people to do that. So guys, here it is. This is the first look after you remove the big cardboard coverings. This is the TV. Look how nicely it has been packed. It's fairly well protected within the box. So as long as you're not doing something silly with it, there are very minimal chances of making any damages to the screen itself. It is covered by foam on all sides and covered by a thin polyurethane. Because I'm going to hang this TV on the wall, I need to put in the brackets for it to be hung properly. At the back of the TV, this is where I have got the brackets on. And you can see these are where all the connectors are. So you've got your two USB ports and four HDMI and an Ethernet port and a TV antenna. Behind it, you have a sticker for Samsung Care, and this is where your stand would go in. Kettle connector cable, which can easily be disconnected if you require. So this is the remote for this TV. As you can see, it's a fairly small size remote, but it's very functional. It's very solidly built with the batteries in. It is fairly balanced and heavy and solid to hold on to. It has dedicated buttons for Netflix, web browser, and if you're a Prime subscriber like myself, there is a dedicated button to launch the Prime Video. The TV itself can be used in the ambient mode, which is essentially using the TV as a very expensive picture frame. So if you press this button, the TV will display a picture or a slideshow of your choice. This can be used for just to add a bit of color and texture to your room. Not that you want to use an expensive TV for that, but you have the option if you want that available. There is a dedicated microphone button, so you can essentially press and hold on to this button and basically use your voice to change channels or fire up YouTube, Prime Video, that kind of stuff. But other than that, it's a fairly basic remote, like no gimmicks in there. One thing I do like about it, if you see the buttons there, they're a bit raised. The way to change channel and put the volume up or down is actually, if you notice, you can move the buttons up and down. Same thing would apply for the channel. So you can see you can push it up or push it down. If you push it down, as in like depress the button, that will actually bring up basically the what do you call it as the TV guide. So that's a quick way of doing it. I can quickly hit that and then go back to where I was. Hitting the home button itself will bring the menu and shows all the apps and the settings. The TV does come with built-in Alexa, the Alexa assistant, and you can use that to pair with your phone and tablet and things like that. Now let's have a look at the TV itself. So the area where my TV is located, that is actually in a lounge room. It is a very large area. It gets a lot of daylight, as well as because I have a lot of downlights in this area, it can get fairly bright. But as you can probably see from the screen, the picture quality is really good. It adjusts. It's currently set to dynamic, so you can see it's really bright, doesn't struggle. Again, and the other thing I definitely like about this TV, which is you probably would be able to. We're gonna die. We did die. Oh my God. It's all detailed in the letter I sent you, Dr. Bravestone. Perhaps you should read it aloud. I don't know. So, as you can probably hear it now, the sound quality. I don't know if that did it justice, but the sound quality for this TV speaker, it's phenomenal for the size. Obviously, I can add external speakers to make it even better, but that's something I would do at a later stage, and I will share that with you. For the eagle eyes people out there, you might have noticed that little bar or little piece of paper sticking out there. That's because the TV does come in the box with a little film that is applied to the screen. That's to prevent it from getting any scratches and all that during the shipping. I have purposely not removed it just to prevent this TV from the fingers of my little 2-year-old son, because one thing I noticed the moment this TV went on wall, he came running with it with a pen and tried to write on it. So this is just an extra protection. I tried to remove all the stickers. This one wasn't that easy to remove, so I've left it there. It is usually as you can see in the black bar area, so it doesn't disturb you as much. Plus, it's a big TV, so you really do not notice it. So yeah, hopefully that was a very good overview of this TV on a very quick scale. If you do like to know more about this TV, or if you have any more questions, please do not hesitate in asking that via comment section. And I will be coming out and sharing more of these videos in my future sessions. Popped up. There was some mentions about advertisements within the TV menus. Honestly speaking, this is like about this tiny section which you do not even notice, and only becomes visible when you are accessing that home page. So when you are changing channels, when you're changing source, when you are switching between the apps, YouTube to Amazon Prime and things like that, that's the only time you would be viewing that advertisement. Other than that, that ad does not become visible, so doesn't bother me. Guys, this was my final video for the year 2020. I would like to wish you and your families a very happy Christmas, a very safe and prosperous new year.